everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to refresh and reset Twitter feed. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So step 1, to refresh your Twitter feed, just pull down from the top of your feed and release. This will refresh the latest tweets or posts. And now to reset your feed, you just have to tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen, and then tap on that drop down menu and go to settings and privacy option. Now scroll down again until you see the accessibility, display, and languages section. Within that section, locate and tap on data usage, and here you'll see the option like media storage and web storage. To clear media storage, tap on media storage and then select clear media storage. This will remove any photos or GIFs or videos that are taking up space on your device. Similarly, you can tap on web storage and then select clear all web storage to remove stored web data associated with Twitter. For step 5 is to enjoy a refreshed Twitter experience. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully cleared out unnecessary data from your Twitter application, ensuring a smoother and more optimized experience.